How to find movies on a YouTube TV free trial. Step number 1, sign into your YouTube TV account. Log into your YouTube TV account via the app or website using your Google account credentials. Step number 2, navigate to the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the interface. Type in specific movie titles, genres, or keywords like movies to find available films. Step number 3, explore the library content. Go to the library tab for on-demand content. Look for curated lists or movie categories to browse a selection of films. Step number 4, check the live TV schedule. Click on the live tab to view currently airing movies on channels included in your free trial such as AMC, TCM, FX, HBO. Step number 5, record movies using DVR. Use YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR feature to record movies airing live. Access your recorded movies in the library tab for later viewing. Step number 6, explore premium add-ons. This is optional. Navigate to settings, membership to browse premium add-ons like HBO Max, Showtime, or Stars. Many of these channels offer additional movie libraries and may include free trial options. Step number 7, use the recommendations section. Check out the Home tab for personalized recommendations. YouTube TV often suggests trending or popular movies based on your viewing history. Step number 8, browse on-demand movies. Many channels on YouTube TV provide on-demand movies that you can watch anytime during your free trial. Look for the on-demand or available now section under each channel.